Okay, so now I'm gonna close up the top. Now, I have two choices here. Normally, I would just use the thread, the yarn that was attached, and I could just keep going. I cut it because that knot was gonna be a little bit annoying as I whipped the yarn in and out. So it's not a big deal. If you end up with like a loose piece like this, just make sure that you weave it in, okay? It's not a problem. I'm just going on the inside of my hat and just kind of weaving it in. What's kind of nice about yarn like this too is it's super forgiving. I mean, you don't see any of this. Okay, so now I'm ready to go. So I have a thread, a piece of yarn. Again, it's like 20-ish inches. And all I'm gonna do is make a drawstring. See, this is my smaller. It's gonna be the part that gathers. And this is this super cute little bottom that we're just gonna fold over, okay? So I'm gonna just pick a spot, weave in the bottom, leave a little bit more even to secure later. I'll weave that in. And all I'm doing is going in and out, in and out. Doesn't even matter what side you do this on, in and out. I'm on one side. I'm not attaching it, okay? It makes a drawstring. So I'm just going in and out. I usually do like 3 or 4, and I'm close to the top edge of the hat, okay? I don't wanna be too far down below, or that's gonna give me too much yarn up at the top to gather, especially with the thick beanie. Stay close, like I am, to the edge. So I'm just going in and out, in and out. And you can see what's happening is so cute, is I'm just getting a pull, like a drawstring, like on a bag. You can make this, you can use this technique if you make a bag and you wanna close it up at the top. I'll try to show you one in a second like that. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way around. And just because I might as well just attach it right here and make a knot. That will be super secure. And I pull, that's it. I just pull and I get this adorable top to the beanie. Now, with thick yarn, I might end up with a hole like that. That's why I waited to have you see it. It's not gonna happen with this thin yarn. I'm gonna pull it tight. It's gonna close it, okay? But thick yarns, sometimes you get a hole, and so I'm gonna show you what you do. Once you've got it pulled to the way that you know, as much as you possibly can, okay? Then you kind of weave in a couple just to secure it. When I say weave, I'm just going in and out of the yarn. And I can pull it tighter. And then I'm gonna go down inside the beanie, okay? So now see how I have a hat top right there? And I'm going all the way through. Look at that, it just closes it so nice. I love that, it's so cute. But to really secure it, I turn it inside out. I have that little piece that I started with. I tie a knot, okay? I'm gonna tie it twice, just extra security. Remember, I'm closing the hat, so I don't want this to open. And then I'm inside the hat right now. I'm inside the hat. I just weave in a little bit, in and out, just to give myself even more security. More is best. And especially if you're gifting it, it'd be kind of a bummer. Oh, I'll show you something funny. One time, let's see if I can show you this. Yeah, I made Dawn a hat, and look what happened at the top. It opened, no security. That's crazy. It was cashmere. You see that? Boop. Okay, so finishing it up, all I'm gonna do is pull it really tight. I might even just make a knot right here. I know we're not supposed to make knots in crochet, but whatever. There's my knot. And then I cut it. It's like such fine yarn, so it doesn't really matter. I turn it the right side. I mean, look at this darling little hat. It's just so cute. And then I'm gonna cuff it up. I can't put it on because it's smaller than my head, but it's so flippin' cute, right? So that's how you close the beanie that is rectangular. Okie dokie. Bye.